This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your fish tank crystal clear. Achieving pristine water starts with consistent water changes. Removing about 1/4 to 1/2 of your tank's water weekly helps eliminate dissolved organic compounds that cloud the water. Always use a gravel vacuum to clean the substrate, pulling out trapped debris and uneaten food. This simple step is fundamental for maintaining a healthy, clear aquatic environment. Effective filtration is crucial for crystal clear water. Mechanical filtration physically traps debris, so rinse or replace media regularly. Chemical filtration, often using activated carbon, absorbs odors and discoloration. Most importantly, biological filtration houses beneficial bacteria that convert toxic ammonia and nitrites into safer nitrates. Ensure your filter is appropriately sized for your tank and maintained properly. Preventing issues is key to clarity. Overfeeding is a common culprit for cloudy water, so feed sparingly, only what your fish can consume in a few minutes. Excessive light promotes algae growth, so limit your tank's lighting to 8 to 10 hours daily. Regularly cleaning the tank glass and decorations removes unsightly algae and detritus, contributing significantly to overall water clarity. Understanding your water parameters is vital. Regularly test for ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate to ensure they are at safe levels. Maintaining a stable pH, appropriate for your specific fish, prevents stress and promotes a healthy ecosystem. Consistent water temperature is also essential for fish well-being and helps prevent bacterial blooms that can cloud the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.